have not done wrong. I have not stolen. I have not acted with violence. I have not killed. I have not acted unjustly. I have not caused pain. I have not wasted food. I have not lied. I have not desecrated holy places. I have not spoken evil. I have not abused my sexuality. I have not caused the shedding of tears. I have not sown seeds of regret. I have not been an aggressor. I have not acted gulfully. I have not laid waste the plowed land. I have not bear false witness. I have not set my mouth in motion against any person. I have not been wrathful and angry except for a just cause. I have not copulated with a man's wife. I have not copulated with a woman's husband. I have not polluted myself. I have not caused terror. I have not polluted the earth. I have not spoken in anger. I have not turned from words of right and truth. I have not uttered curses. I have not initiated a quarrel. I have not been excitable or contentious. I have not prejudged. I have not been an eavesdropper. I have not spoke overmuch. I have not committed treason against my ancestors. I have not wasted water. I have not done evil. I have not been arrogant. I have not blasphemed the one most high. I have not committed fraud. I have not mistreated children. I have not mistreated animals. I have not defrauded temple offerings. I have not plundered the dead.